morning, students. History standard 10th. Entertainment. Entertainment and history. What exactly entertainment means? Or why we need entertainment? Entertainment, as a person started coming together and civilization started to prosper. Human, mankind as we call it, started gaining culture, living in the culture, living in society, and then slowly developed many other parts of his life, day-to-day life. One among them, entertainment. In a word, in a sentence, entertainment cannot be explained exactly. But yes, the time spent in an activity through which we can get joy, satisfaction, can be said as entertainment. But it varies from person to person. Actually, entertainment can never be classified, or entertainment cannot be explained as a whole. Yet, as time moves on, many qualities, many expressions, and so other forms started to develop. This developing of the forms created subject-wise distribution just to understand it easily, and then we call it entertainment. A child playing in the courtyard or even in the house, that means indoor, outdoor, but totally satisfied with the work he is carrying on or he is playing with, is a part of entertainment. Then, as culture started to bloom, stories were developed. These stories also become the part of entertainment, but having a moral value, which were to be rather provided to the next generation, also had the learning behind. Yet, in the form of entertainment, learning started to be provided. So, stories developed, and as time moved on, with the history of each and everything, also developed the history of entertainment. Today, we find that as we go date back, maybe in BC or ancient primitive period, you will find certain examples of the people having their own set form of either enjoyment, happiness, or entertainment. Entertainment, as usual, is an abstract quality, but people indulge in it, or children indulge in it, or whosoever indulge in it, can be said to be a part of. And then we get some examples. The historical monuments and the excavations at various places throughout the world provides us an evidence how entertainment must be and how it slowly started to develop. Broadly speaking, the best example comes from the excavational sites of the world. As far as India is concerned, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, or Indus Valley civilization as we call it, having its direct relation with Greek, Egypt, Greek from Europe, Egypt from Africa, and even to the eastern sides of Indian coast, we find such examples. But these are, today we can say these are very few. As we go deep into the history, as we go deep into the study, it goes on enlarging. And then we come to know what exactly it is. Why there is a need of entertainment? When man or a person works hard for the day, or is burdened by some other activities, one needs to refresh one's mind. Certain elements, certain things which will relax for a specific time period. And here arises the need of entertainment. Entertainment can be not only always in the form of laughing, joking, it can also be just working, the work itself that gives us satisfaction. For example, now as we know that the festival time is approaching of Ganesh festival or Nav Durga, People are indulging in making the idols of Lord Ganesha. For professional view, yes, it's a work, it's a profession. But people who are really enjoying it, people who are really dedicating themselves in the making of the idol, for them it's a part of entertainment. 3rd century BC, Carlyle, a well famous name in literature, once said, "Blessed are those who have got their work. Let them ask no other blessing." Means a person who really enjoys the work needs nothing from the God. Only and only his work that provides him the enjoyment, makes him refresh. And it is here that he enjoys his work. That means every form of work can be a part of entertainment if a person loves it, if the person enjoys working with it. And so we come to know that this is what we are saying now. Making of an idol and weaving of an idol both can be a part of it. So naturally they can be divided into 2 parts, active and passive. Playing cricket personally is an active participation, but watching the match in the stadium is passive. Both provides us same enjoyment. Not only that, people watch certain international matches at home, sitting in the room in front of the television set. So, but is not a part of, is not directly the part of whatever we view on the TV, or particularly when we speak about the games. So that is passive. Active, those who are on the ground. Now, there are various sources of examples. We come to know that many times in the olden days, as we have some parts, puppetry in English, also called as Kathakali or wooden puppets, was one of the famous entertainment source of entertainment. It developed from region to region all over India and can never explain what the origin exactly must be. It dates back to the Harappan civilization. The excavations at Pompeii, that is in Italy, and some other places gives evidence, proof that puppetry of India, also called as Kathakali or wooden puppets, were found there. That means the persons engaged in business who moved from India to those places, sometimes along with their children or family members, the children carried the play with them and they got buried there along the timeline. During excavations, they were found, and studies reveals us that they have that interconnection or similarity with the Indian play. We call it Kathakali. This Kathakali in India is very famous from Rajasthan, but does not mean it is only restricted to Rajasthan. Apart from Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, south of India, Gujarat, even Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, all have their own setup. That means region to region, puppetry itself goes on changing. Now, this is because the cultural ties of the people in the region. People who are restricted to a specific region have their own ideologies, and according to the changing geographical scenario, these people turns their stories or cultivate their stories according to the region. Because of this, we find there is a variation. Puppetry is a puppetry only, Kathakali is a Kathakali only. But when played in other parts, the resemblance slowly changes. And this is the cultural tie with that. But yet there are. Also, along with the puppetry or wooden puppets, we have this shadow show. On the television setup, we find the advertisements of tourism development corporation that was related with Madhya Pradesh and some others, where the shadows of the fingers explain the importance of the tourism of that region. So such type of, or even on the WhatsApp you must have got many of the puppetry like shows of the shadow which demonstrate a story. In short, the stories which is to be acted is acted with the help of wooden or shadows. But because they are puppetry, because they are in the hands of the organizer, they are the puppets, and hence the excellence in the playing gives the perfection to the player. The more the excellence, more the viewers will be. Though it is enacted by a person or sometimes one or two persons, group of persons, yet the excellence will provide the spectators. More the people will view it, more will be it appreciated. And this is where the excellence is. With the timeline, this entertainment or these forms of entertainment slowly started to shift only from puppetry to many other things. Now they are being, as we know, the drama, the actors who act on the actors who act in the theater or even in the cinemas is also a part of entertainment. Now they provide entertainment, but the people who view are passive. So if we try to understand it, the origin in Maharashtra of entertainment have its base from Dashavatar, that is from Konkan. Dashavatar is a cultural setup during the festival time. That is somewhere from Diwali onwards. This is the time when harvest season takes place. Majority of the community of India being agricultural based have abundance of food grains at their home. The actors used to come to villages, perform it, and then move from one place to another. But they were being paid for their performance. This payment was in the form of food grains. Slowly, it culminated into as agriculture crops or food crops converted into commercial crops. So also the players or the performers who were rather in the beginning working only for the food grains now started getting money. Now this is something which we will definitely try to understand. But prior to that we have to understand what exactly Dashavatar is. Dashavatar, Dasha Avatar means 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Matsya. Then in English as we call it tortoise. Along with that slowly culminated to various Varaha, Narsimha, Vaman, Prabhu Ram, Krishna, and then in the end today we call it Kalki. All these incarnations have their own importance and the stories have their own morals. So, but at the same time, when it goes on, it tells us the evaluation of man, the story of the evaluation of man. It represents in other ways. And to show the importance of the religious beliefs, they were enacted during from the Diwali time onwards. People also have abundance of the food grains. The working class also used to participate as a passive viewers, and in return they used to give something. Slowly, with the advent of the Britishers, keep it in mind, slowly with the advent of the Britishers and Britishers constructing their own theatre for the first time in Kolkata, the first theatre of India was established by the Britishers for Britishers only in Kolkata, but it was followed by, and then we find a list of the names. Some among them are very notable as far as Marathi theatre is to be understood. And one important name was Vishnudas Bhave. Vishnudas Bhave is the name related definitely with the Dashavatar. With the Dashavatar. But at the same time, Dashavatar represents the stories of the mythological. Now, what is a myth? Myth means people show belief. They have their faith, but no proof. For example, when we say that it was here that Lord Shiva accepted the mighty Ganga into his traces and saved the earth from destruction. This is true when we move towards Himalayan time, but don't have any proof of it. The story of Ramayana, the story of Mahabharata have its origin telling us that there was a drought in this land and people were dying for water. So the king, because of whose the name Bharat comes to this land, left the kingdom and meditated for a long time. Tapa, a span of 12 years, tapasya was done. And after that, God blessed him, fulfilling his wish, which he demanded in the fulfillment of water. So Ganga from heaven prodded down and came here. The force could have divided, or force could have totally whitewashed the people of this land. But Lord Shiva accepted the force into his traces, Zata. And then, now this is the story, but related with God or related with religion, we show faith in. Other side is that we find Ganga having its origin in Gangotri, or the two water bodies coming together to make mighty Ganga. Yes, Alaknanda and Bhagirath. Bhagirath king who did his penance for a long duration, and so one force or the one flow of the water, that is river Bhagirathi, the other Alaknanda, unites at Dev Prayag in the Himalayan sector, and from there starts the Ganga. But the origin of Ganga is traced to be at Gangotri, and the story which I narrated have its interlink or relation with all these waterfront bodies. This is mythology. Such mythologies we have in all the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. But they have their positive attributes, or they tell us some morals. And this moral, in turn, is handed over first in the oral form from generation to generation. The oral form that comes to us in the form of these stories were rather converted to the poetic language, poetic setup. And then these poems, when script were formed, were written down. Slowly, along for the first time, in the name of Dashavatara, we find dialogues. Dialogue, more than one person will speak with each other. And the people, the performance started speaking. It was a spontaneous. The best example which became much more famous in Marathi was Vichha Maji Purika. Many actors to the Marathi film or Marathi theatre have their origin from this show, Vichha Maji Purika. One of the best names of this is Dada Purika. A name entered into Guinness Book of World Record for the Marathi theatre. Now, as we try to study, there are various sources which tells us that how the performance of the mythological stories slowly started to shift and gain their commercial view. The stories which first have only relation with the culture, only relation with the religion, now were also performed to attract more and more. As we saw that the theatre was constructed in Kolkata for the first time, and then rather it was also performed in the same way in Marathi, that is theatrical drama. Marathi and Bengali have the rich tradition of the performance of the play. Even today, many of the plays of the Marathis are taken as they are for the films, for the cinema. And because of this, the entertainment or the source of entertainment, as we call, definitely have the origin in folk, lok katha. Slowly started to change. Today there are many writers, definitely. Many of them write purposefully for their own motive. But yes, we have to understand how they are. Now, the drama or the theatrical drama that was enacted with the Dashavatara had its beginning. And it was in the form of prayer. Lord was always being prayed to give blessings so that the remaining part will be carried on. showing faith in the existence of God was the important criteria, was the most important thing. And then it was ended with the Dahi Handi, or also Gopal Kala nowadays we call it. This Dahi Handi now becomes a part of Krishna Janmashtami. But in the beginning, when Dashavatara was played, the end was that the people used to bring their tiffins together, or everything was mixed up. Along with it, a prasad was being made and again handed over to all. All the rich and the poor coming together, bringing the whole of the peoples of the village together was one of the most important factors. In this way, Dashavatara gave the origin, or sorry, gave the birth to the theatrical drama. In the next, we will see how it developed, and with that, the development of the Marathis entertainment. Thank you.